Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic topic that can transform your gardening game: perennial crops. Imagine planting something once and enjoying its delicious harvest year after year. That's the beauty of perennial plants. They keep giving without the need for replanting every season. In this video, we're going to explore 20 amazing perennial crops that not only provide tasty produce, but also require less effort in the long run. From herbs to vegetables, brambles to berries, nuts, and fruits. There's something here for everyone. Whether you're an experienced gardener or just starting out, these perennial options will surely inspire you to create a low-maintenance, bountiful garden. 1. Asparagus. Let's kick things off with asparagus. Once planted, this perennial vegetable can keep producing tasty spears for up to 20 years. Asparagus thrives in well-drained soil and a sunny spot in your garden. Plant them deep and give them a little patience. They'll reward you with fresh, crunchy spears every spring. 2. Rhubarb. Next up, we have rhubarb. This perennial delight offers tart stalks that are perfect for pies and jams. Rhubarb plants are hardy and can survive winter chills. Just remember to harvest stalks carefully, leaving some to nourish the plant for the next season. 3. Mint. Now, let's talk about herbs. Mint is a vigorous perennial that spreads quickly. It's great for teas, desserts, and garnishes. Plant it in a container to prevent it from taking over your garden. Mint thrives in partial shade and moist soil. Just keep it in check, and it'll keep coming back. 4. Chives. Chives are another fantastic perennial herb. These onion-flavored greens are excellent for seasoning dishes and salads. They produce lovely purple flowers in spring, attracting beneficial pollinators to your garden. 5. Artichokes. Moving on to something more exotic: artichokes. These striking plants not only look beautiful in the garden, but also produce delicious, edible flower buds. Artichokes prefer mild climates and well-drained soil. With a little care, they'll reward you with a gourmet treat year after year. 6. Horseradish. If you enjoy spicy flavors, consider planting horseradish. This perennial root crop adds zing to sauces and dishes. Horseradish is hardy and can thrive in various conditions. Just make sure to contain its roots to prevent it from spreading too far. 7. Raspberries. Now, let's shift to berries. Raspberries are a classic perennial favorite. Once established, raspberry bushes yield juicy, sweet fruits every summer. They require some pruning and support, but are well worth the effort for their delectable harvest. 8. Strawberries. Who doesn't love strawberries? These perennial wonders are perfect for hanging baskets, containers, or traditional garden beds. Imagine picking fresh strawberries from your own garden. It's a delightful experience. 9. Blueberries. Blueberries are another must-have perennial fruit. They thrive in acidic soil and sunny spots. With proper care, you can enjoy plump, antioxidant-rich berries year after year. 10. Blackberries. Moving on to brambles, blackberries are a fantastic addition to any garden. These vigorous climbers produce sweet, juicy berries. Just give them space to sprawl, and you'll have an abundance of fruit to enjoy. 11. Grapes. Let's not forget about grapes. While they need a bit more space and support, grapevines are rewarding perennials. Homegrown grapes are perfect for fresh eating, juicing, or even making your own wine. 12. Figs. For warmer climates, consider planting fig trees. Figs are delicious fresh or dried, and the trees are surprisingly hardy once established. They provide a Mediterranean touch to your garden. 13. Apples. Apples are a staple fruit tree for many gardens. With dwarf varieties available, even small spaces can accommodate these perennial trees. Enjoy fresh apples in season and try your hand at homemade cider. 14. Pears. Similar to apples, pears are another wonderful fruit tree option. They require minimal care once established and produce abundant harvests. Homegrown pears are a true delight. 15. Hazelnuts. Now let's talk nuts. Hazelnut bushes offer tasty nuts for baking and snacking. They prefer well-drained soil and can be a beautiful addition to your landscape. 16. Almonds. Almonds are another perennial nut option, especially for warmer climates. These trees produce nutritious nuts that can be enjoyed raw or roasted. 17. Walnuts. For a larger scale nut tree, consider planting walnuts. These majestic trees offer shade and a bounty of nutritious nuts. Just be patient. Walnut trees take a few years to start bearing fruit. 18. Peaches. If you have a sunny spot, peaches can be a rewarding addition to your garden. Dwarf varieties are ideal for smaller spaces. Fresh peaches from your own tree taste like summer in every bite. 19. Cherries. Cherry trees are a beautiful and productive addition to any garden. With different varieties suited to various climates, you can find the perfect cherry tree for your area. 20. Plums. Finally, plums complete our list of perennial crops. Plum trees are relatively low maintenance and offer delicious fruits for fresh eating or preserving. And there you have it, 20 perennial crops that you can plant once and enjoy for years to come. Whether you're looking to enhance your garden's bounty or create a more sustainable food source, these perennial options are a great choice. Remember, gardening is a journey of discovery and joy. Start small, experiment with what works best in your area, and enjoy the fruits of your labor season after season. We hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and inspiration. Happy gardening, and see you next time.